lot of mist on the way. Normal घाट road, not कोई hairpin bends नहीं है. We stopped here for a breakfast. So it's a Udupi Grand. So Bellary, if you can see the board, 106 kilometer from here. Max so 4. This is on the other side of the highway. So good morning and welcome to yet another road trip. And this is a return trip to Hyderabad from Udupi. And the time right now is 4:20. So as per plan, we are on time today. And the distance so far is 750 plus 752 exactly to be for our home. We are taking the route via Simonga and most likely Ballari, but from Simonga we'll decide which route to take. There are few options from there, but at least for first 3 hours, like Simonga, it will take around 3 hours. So we'll cross from Agumbe Ghati road and then reach Simonga. So let's see how the road is. It's a ghat road, so there are some few hairbends and some turns. So hopefully we'll cross that by 5:36 and we'll keep you updated how the route is so that it is easy for you. There were a few other options also, but they were taking the distance wise it was too high, like it was 800 plus, like especially from Udupi. So if you are planning this trip, similar trip, and if you want to return from Udupi, this is the most efficient option. Otherwise, the best option is to return back a day before to Gokarna, and from there the distance is around 650. So that is much easier. So we are right now on the way to Agumbe Ghat road, and we are using NH 169A, which Google has suggested. And right now the time is 4:45, and in shortly we'll start with the Agumbe Ghat road. Probably as per estimate, we may start that by 5:30, but we'll keep you updated. So far the road was good and it was two-way. Right now 4-lane. Right now I see there is some road works going on and only one side is working, but otherwise till now it was 4-lane. अभी हम गुम्बे घाट रोड स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं थोड़ी देर में. It's still dark right now, but I think slowly we can see some lights coming out because by 5:30 I think some Agumbe Ghat road had started. We are climbing the hill. One bend we have covered. I think there are 4 to 5 hairpin bends. Time right now is 5:15 approximately, and since we had to reach Hyderabad on time, so we started little early. But if you start at around 5 o'clock also from Manipal Udupi area, so that should be also fine. So we have crossed the Ghat road, the Agumbe Ghat road we have crossed just now, and you can see now some lights on the sky. So it's 5:30 in the morning right now. So we are now crossing the forest area, Agumbe forest area. So there are few like 6 to 7 hairpin bends. So other than that, the Ghat road was all good. It's wide enough for 2 vehicles to cross easily. and early morning there was no returning. Opposite traffic was very few, it's very less, so it will be easy for also to take this road if you are planning your return trip. द घाट रोड आपने ख़त्म कर लिया है. सो घाट रोड में 5 to 6 हेयर पिन बेंड्स थे, मैंने एग्जैक्ट काउंट नहीं किया, बट दोज आर और नॉट सो डिफ़िकल्ट हेयर पिन्स. अभी हम NH 169A पर ही है, आगुम्बे फॉरेस्ट रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. रोड्स आर वेरी गुड. द घाट रोड में थोड़ा सा पतला था, बट अदरवाइज़ उसके बाद अभी रोड्स काफ़ी अच्छे दिख रहे हैं, स्मूथ. बट वी आर क्रॉसिंग फॉरेस्ट बोथ साइड. इट्स लिटिल मिस्टी ऑल्सो इन द मॉर्निंग. For our home right now, we are expected to reach, as per Google, 6 o'clock in the evening. और अराउंड 12.5 घंटे का समय अभी बचा हुआ है, अराउंड 12.5 hour time left with 698 kilometer pending. So overall the route which we are taking, the distance was 752 as I mentioned earlier in the morning. So we have almost covered 52 kilometers. अभी तक का रोड तो काफ़ी अच्छा है. बीच में थोड़ा सा एक दो बिफोर घाट देयर वाज सम रोड वर्क्स गोइंग ऑन, सो वहाँ पर थोड़ा सा घाट रोड थोड़ा सा रोड वर्क चल रहा है, तो थोड़ा वन वे हो गया है. अदरवाइज द रोड्स दिस 169A इज़ सो फार वेरी गुड. यू कैन ड्राइव at 80 speed easily. Lot of mist on the way. काफ़ी मिस्ट दिख रहा है, धुंध है. सो अगले घाट रोड के बाद थोड़ा सा और घाट रोड है बाद में, बट इट्स नॉर्मल घाट रोड, नॉट कोई हेयरपिन बेंड्स नहीं है. यू कैन ड्राइव अबव 70. रोड्स आर वेरी स्मूथ पर. वन थिंग टू नोट इज़ दैट अगर बारिश हो रहा है तो थोड़ा सा रोड और भी मिस्टी और स्लिपरी हो जाएंगे, बट अदरवाइज इट्स वेरी गुड. द रोड कंडीशंस आर वेरी गुड. सो वी हैव क्रॉस्ड वन स्मॉल सिटी, तीर्थली, जस्ट नाउ. अभी थोड़ी देर में हमें एक छोटा शहर तीर्थली. दिस रोड्स इज़ वेरी सीनिक. सो अगर आप मॉर्निंग में कभी डे टाइम पे क्रॉस कर रहे हो तो यू विल एंजॉय ऑल्सो, स्पेशली द आगुम्बे घाट पार्ट. सिंस वी क्रॉस्ड अर्ली मॉर्निंग, वेरी अर्ली मॉर्निंग, सो वी कुड नॉट सी एनीथिंग. बट अगर आप थोड़ा सा लेट निकल रहे हो तो आपको अच्छा सा सीनिक रोड मिलेगा. उसके बाद भी रोड्स काफ़ी अच्छे हैं और सीनिक है. मौसम काफ़ी कूल लग रहा है. टेम्परेचर 23 डिग्री दिखा रहा है बाहर का, विच मीन्स इट्स क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल एंड लुक्स लाइक रात में ओवरनाइट रेन हुआ है तो रोड्स गीले दिख रहे हैं. So sun has risen. सूरज निकल चुका है, बट अच्छा सा भी दिख नहीं रहा है क्योंकि बीच में बादल था और अब थोड़ा पेड़ आ गए हैं. अदरवाइज सनराइज इज डन. टाइम राइट नाउ इज 6:18 and as per our estimate we are about to reach by 6, so there is no change on that time, but we will take few breaks, so hopefully, and I'm estimating that we'll reach by 8 only, not before that, because we may take few breaks for breakfast, lunch, coffee, tea. So there will be an increase in the time. अभी भी 11 घंटा 40 मिनट रिमेनिंग दिखा रहा है गूगल. It's 6:59 kilometer left. Petrol we may need to fill it in between. अभी तो ऑलमोस्ट हम फुल करके निकले थे, तो ऑलमोस्ट अभी भी 90% फुल है. तो थोड़ी देर में जब वो हाफ टैंक हो जाएगा तो एक बार फुल करा लेंगे, सो दैट इट कैन कवर अप टू माई होम. So we are crossing a river and we have taken a right turn to NH69. I'm not sure how long we will cover be in this road. I think maybe 2 to 3 kilometers, and then they will take Bangalore-Shivamonga highway. So we'll keep you updated. अभी हमने NH69 कनेक्ट किया है, and shortly we'll then connect back to Bangalore-Shivamonga highway. Time right now is 7:10, so we have almost driven 3 hours from our hotel. 3 घंटा के आसपास हमने चला चुके हैं होटल से, और करीब किलोमीटर वाइज 160 ऑड किलोमीटर हमने कवर कर लिए हैं. So we have now taken the Bangalore-Shivamonga highway, and we'll take this highway for up to at least Chitradurga. From there we'll decide on which route to take further. Also I will just cross check again in some time from Shivamonga which is the best route, whether to go with what Google suggests or something else. But before that, planning to take one small tea break, so I'm looking for some option for that. Stay with us for further update on the route. So we had stopped here at Udupi Grand for a quick breakfast. It's around 200 kilometer from Udupi, and it's a 4 hours drive, so you can plan accordingly. We had opted for idli and dosa, one idli, one masala dosa and one dosa. Total cost was 210, so it's cheap and good. Also, you can have an washroom break over here along with that. So it's conveniently located, 4 hours drive from Udupi. So it will be good if we start it in the morning. I think it's we stopped here at 8 o'clock at 8:15. So it's basically a good strategically located. So you can have your break over here. So now we will be heading on back on the highway, and initial estimate Google was saying that 6 will reach by 6 p.m. So we had stopped here for approximately half an hour. So half an hour time may increase. We'll see how much we can cover up on that. We'll keep you updated. Stay with us on the video. So we have reached Chitradurga, city of fort. I think we cannot capture the entry gate. So far we have covered around 240 kilometers from our hotel, and still 500 plus kilometer left. Time remaining is around 9 hours. अभी भी 9.5 घंटे के आसपास का टाइम बचा हुआ है और 500 किलोमीटर. Hopefully we may take 1 to 2 more breaks for lunch and tea coffee. So you can add 1 more hour extra. We are right now on Chitradurga Road, which is NH 369. So it's a Simonga Chitradurga Road, which is also known as, and its highway number is 369. So I'm not sure how long we will continue. This is the highway which we are continuing from long time back. Our plan is to go via Ballari. From Ballari, we'll see what Google suggests. But we definitely will connect to Kurnool. But there are multiple roads from there to reach Kurnool. We'll keep you updated which one Google suggests or which one we take. Depending on that, we'll update you on the way. So far roads were good, not 4 lane, 2 lane only, but it with proper divider, 2 lane or 4. Some places it was 4 lane, but normally it is all 2 lane only. But with very smooth road, you can drive easily on 80 km per hour without issue. And also traffic is little less compared to normal other roads, especially while returning. The other side traffic is there, but return traffic I don't see that much. We are on the Chalakkare Road, Chitradurga Chalakkare Road, and just after from within Chitradurga we left, I think, NH 369. I'm not sure whether this is also NH 369, but otherwise as per Google map it's Chalakkare Road, and in around 20-25 kilometer we'll connect to 150A, which will take us to Ballari. अभी हम चलक्करे रोड पे हैं. अराउंड 25 किलोमीटर तक हम इसी में रहेंगे. उसके बाद हम 150A पे मर्ज कर जाएंगे. 150A हमें बेल्लारी तक लेके जाएगा. टाइम राइट नाउ is 9:36. So we have almost we have covered more than 5 hours now from start. Lane departure. Now about to leave the Chalakkare Road and connect to NH 150A. So the one we are leaving NH Chalakkare Road and now connecting to 150A. from here it is 477 kilometers for our home. This highway will take us to Bellary.
Lane departure.
After that, we'll keep you updated what Google suggests. But at a high level, we are connecting to Kurnool from Bellary. So we'll keep you updated on the road details. Yeah, so Bellary, if you can see the board, 106 kilometer from here. So this highway will take us to Bellary. Just slowed down to show you the board. Now we are back on the speed. So this is the first toll for the day on NH 150A. I think this will count on your trip for if you have an annual pass. I could not see, but if you have an annual pass, this will count as one of the trip. And on this route, this is the first toll that we have got. Overall, I think this route will have only cost you around 400 to 500 on toll. Overall, complete.
Lane departure. Lane departure. Lane departure. Lane departure. Lane departure.
So if you can see the board, Bellary is 39 kilometers from here now. So this road will take you to Hampi also, but we are not going there. We'll go till Bellary and from there take a detour to
Lane departure.
Kurnool. So next we are planning to have a one stop for petrol. So though it's 50%, well left,
Lane departure.
I'm planning to full a tank right now, because we will not be able to reach with this at home till home, and the rates in Andhra is little higher, so at least we'll save some amount. So I think right now it is half tank, so better we'll fill it anytime now.
Lane departure.
Total distance left right now is 400 kilometers approximately, and around 7 hours 17 minutes.
Lane departure.
We managed to cover up almost 30 minutes from our breakfast break. Approximately हम 30 मिनट कवर अप कर लिए हैं लास्ट ब्रेक से. So approaching another toll, and this charges for this is 70 rupees, and also this will count in your annual pass, so it will count one trip. So expected arrival time or the time to reach home is now 6:03. Almost 7 hours left. So we have connected to NH67 sometime back,
Lane departure.
and Google has rerouted the route. Instead of Bellary, I think it is we are now going via Guti. I will confirm you exact route. So far not
Lane departure.
People driving in wrong direction in the highway. So we are now going via Guti. It's the same route which while coming to Chikmagalur we used. So this route is also good, and as per after rerouting also the estimated time it did not change, and as per Google there is some road works, some road closure on that route, earlier route via Bellary. So
Departure.
we are now going via Guti. I think this will connect to Anantapur.
Departure.
I'm not, if I'm not wrong, we'll update you as the
Lane departure.
time progresses. So अभी हम बेल्लारी रूट छोड़ दिए हैं, हम बूटी होते हुए जा रहे हैं, and most likely we'll connect at near Anantapur.
Departure.
We'll confirm shortly. So we have filled up our tank now. So it was almost half tank. So only 30 liters, 28 liters we managed to fill it. So now we are back on the highway. अरे फ्री है अभी, बना नहीं है. So this toll is not yet operational. So one trip saved. Road is still very good. You can drive above 80 without any issue. We managed to cover almost 45 minutes from our lunch break, even though we had to stop for a petrol, but still the roads are so good that you can cover up a lot of time on this way. So we are still on the way to Guti. So the road from the NS67, it was very bad, lot of potholes and speed breakers, and in between it diverted to one small village road. This is much better than that NS67, and we will merge again back with NS67 shortly in 2 km, which will again connect us to NH44. So small patch of bad road, but other than that it was good. Maybe around 10 km very bad road where you will crawl, like lot of potholes and speed breakers. Otherwise I think this interior road, this village road is also very good, which if you are seeing on the camera, this is good. The other one which was bad I have not recorded. Within 1.5 now kilometer will connect back to NS67. अब हम थोड़ी देर में वापस NS67 कनेक्ट करेंगे. तो ये रोड थोड़ा सा पैच ख़राब था NS67 पे पीछे, अराउंड 10 किलोमीटर्स और लेस देन 10 किलोमीटर्स. उसके बाद गूगल ने हमें एक इंटीरियर रोड पे कनेक्ट किया है, which is a state road or a village road, not sure. This will again, which is I think only 4 to 5 kilometer, of which we have almost covered every 4 kilometer. Now we will connect in 1 kilometer. अब हम 1 किलोमीटर में NS67 वापस से कनेक्ट कर लेंगे. तो इसके अलावा रोड काफ़ी अच्छा था अब तक. ओनली अभी थोड़ा सा जो पैच था NS67 का थोड़ा ख़राब था. अदरवाइज फ्रॉम उडुपी टिल नाउ 95% of the road was very good. Only in the initial at Udupi, near Udupi, there were few road works. After that, nothing, all good. And then at this place, there are some patch of bad roads. एंड होपफुली वंस वी कनेक्ट टू NH44 उसके बाद सब सही हो जाएगा. I don't expect any other bad roads on NH44. So we are now reached Guti. So we will now connect after this. Shortly we'll connect to NH44. अभी हम गुटी पहुंच गए. अब यहाँ से हम NH44 कनेक्ट करने वाले हैं विद इन 2 to 3 किलोमीटर. So the road was other than, as I mentioned earlier, the only small patch of road that is bad. After that the connecting roads was also okay, not too good. You can drive above 75. अब हम गुटी पहुंच चुके हैं. अब कुछ देर में हम NH44 कनेक्ट करेंगे. अराउंड 2 से 3 किलोमीटर में NH44. ओवरऑल अभी भी 315 किलोमीटर बचा हुआ है घर के लिए. और एज़ पर गूगल 537 540 के अराउंड हम पहुंचने वाले हैं. सो प्रोबेबली 2 more ब्रेक्स. सो 6 तक बज सकते हैं, 6 साढ़े 6 अप्रॉक्स टू रीच आवर होम. तो अब हम NH44 कनेक्ट करने वाले हैं. वी आर लिविंग NH67. अब हम नाउ वी आर अबाउट टू join NH44 and we have left NH67. We are planning to take one short break or maybe a long break also. We may have lunch now, so we are looking for some suitable restaurant. We'll keep you updated on the place, about the place where we stop. If it's good, we'll let you know. We stopped here at the Max 4. This is on the other side of the highway. The U-turn was just next to it, so we just stopped it for a washroom break and also lunch. Lunch we are not having over here, so we brought from the hotel. We'll have sandwich for the lunch. So we'll just make a preparation here and maybe we'll stop some other place to have it, or maybe on the way. But we have just had a washroom break and just freeing our legs. We'll not spend more than 15 minutes for here and then head back on the highway. This is a good option. The washroom was neat and neat. Not say very perfect, but yeah, decently neat. People are making it dirty by throwing water here and there, but otherwise it's good, no smell and all. You can definitely have a stop over here for washroom. So we'll shortly head on to the highway. So first stall of National Highway 44 for the day. So this is costing around 125 I think, and it will add into your annual trip. So this will count into your annual pass. It will deduct one trip. We are left with 260 किलोमीटर right now. अब 260 किलोमीटर रह गया है घर के लिए. Also कुरनूल भी अब आने वाला है थोड़ी देर में. As per Google right now we are expected to reach by 6:15 after our lunch break and washroom breaks. So not much difference from the start time. We covered almost close to 50 minutes because of some good roads. So now we are left, so all the break got covered on that time that we covered. We may make one more stop for tea, coffee in the afternoon. So Right now it is 2 o'clock, so probably at around 4 o'clock, 4:30 we may stop for tea and coffee.
Lane departure.
We just crossed the Krishna river and mostly we entered Telangana. I think Krishna river, Telangana. So now we are left with 170 kilometer and about to reach by 6:37. So if we stop for coffee or tea 7 o'clock, अब 3 घंटा से भी कम टाइम है, अराउंड 258 मिनट, 2 आवर 58 मिनट्स एंड 170 किलोमीटर बचा हुआ है. So far only except that patch which I mentioned earlier, except that patch for small 5-10 kilometer, rest all the roads are good. Now in NH44 also it's no issue. There are few roadworks, but it is not interfering in the road quality, so you can drive smoothly. So we are now approaching Jharchala toll. It is now 125 kilometer left for our home. अब हम झरचला टॉल पहुंचने वाले हैं. इसका चार्जेस आई थिंक 85 रुपीज़ है, बट इफ़ यू हैव एनुअल पास दिस विल वर्क.
Lane departure.
टोटल अभी भी पहुंचने का टाइम 6:37 के आसपास है. सो नाउ आई एम प्लानिंग टू टेक वन शॉर्ट ब्रेक and have a coffee or a tea. So we'll have a tea over here. We have now entered or entering ORR. So we have just left NH44. Time right now is 6:05. So we are on target. There was no traffic, incoming traffic, unlike earlier times, and as per my earlier estimate, I think we are all set to reach before 7 o'clock. हम 7 बजे से पहले पहुंच जाएंगे घर. And right now as per Google it is showing 6:43. So we are on track. So I will end this video over here. Unless there is something exceptional
Lane departure.
that needs to be shown. So this I will end this trip video over here.
Lane departure.
Overall, the time that it took, like around 14 hours. We were expecting to like, as initially Google suggested, as per Google it was saying that 14 hours. So we have taken almost 14 hours 45 minutes
Departure.
if we reach by 6:45, which is not 14:45, so 14 hours and 20 minutes or 30 minutes approximately,
Lane
because we
departure.
started at 4:20 in the morning. The road was good, so if you are coming from ODP, you can take this route and it will help you save a lot of time. Earlier I was not planning to take this one because of Ghat Road, but the Ghat Road is very small, and if you cover that early in the morning when there is less traffic, later on it will be very easier. If you are still watching this video, and hope if you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again.